Hello everyone, welcome to my first of many videos about my amazing journey as I travel on my own through Maharashtra. Join me, buckle in and get ready for an adventure as we begin the journey in the quiet yet vibrant city of Pune. I was really excited for this journey. I got up at 3 o'clock, got ready and left for Rental. Finally, I'm leaving. I grabbed a quick breakfast from the lounge before boarding the flight. I chose Pune as my first location, and here I am going to stay with a couch surfer for the first time in my life. This is the first time I am doing couch surfing, but I was actually a little bit worried in the beginning, but all settled. Such a wonderful family, and now I'm actually going to go out. I'm taking one water bottle and one cup of black coffee. Climate is really nice. Yeah. I have been walking for quite some time. Cannot find any good restaurant. I have no idea where I am. Just walking, searching for one restaurant. Ooh. What kind of place is this? Without any restaurant. Man, I'm tired. Finally found it. Here it is. There. Just in front of me. So happy. Let me go have something and talking is later. Okay, bye-bye. I think because I'm so hungry. Everything is tasting so nice. And we have to take ticket, which is just 20 rupees, and you can take it through online. This Shaniwar Wada was a fort actually which was built by Peshwas of Maratha Empire in I think 1732 if I remember it correctly, and it was actually not completely, a lot of it was destroyed in a fire. Feeling so sleepy. Oh. Good morning. Day 2 of my 3-week solo trip in Maharashtra. Yesterday I had so much headache, so I had slept early and I slept a lot, like for 9 hours. And I got up very fresh. Today I'm feeling so good and just having one cup of tea to boost my mood. Then again today I will go and explore the remaining part of Pune. Right now I am going to Good Luck Cafe, which is very old cafe in Iranian style. I have seen a lot of reviews in the Google Map, around 50,000 reviews, and everyone says it's really good. Let's see how it is. I went there with a lot of expectations as it had a lot of good reviews in the Google Map, and I have seen it's being hyped in social media platforms, but it was not worth it. Something really interesting. On the road they have put the snake and ladder game. Really nice. Sometimes it's really funny when you don't know the language, but somehow you communicate things. It's really fun. After breakfast, I went to a few historic places where I could not record any videos, so I'm not including those in this video. And after that, I decided to take a walk around the city so that I can see the city, experience its culture, and have some amazing food. During my 2 days exploration of Pune, this was the most interesting building or thing that I have came across. A 139 years old market which was built in the British colonial era. You will get any kind of vegetables and related things from this market. This is an 8-sided building built in the year of 1886. As I was continuing my journey, I was falling in love with Pune more and more. A funny thing here, I was recording my audio without knowing that the mic was already dead. I don't remember exactly what I was talking about in this video, but I remember I was on my way to find lunch in Camp Burger. I have heard about Camp Burger a lot from a lot of people, and thanks to those people who have suggested me Camp Burger, it was amazing. I was very surprised by the quantity of the food. For just 130 rupees, you will get a very big burger. Actually, I could not finish this one and I took parcel to have dinner as well. After lunch, I came here and spent around 2 hours inside this memorial. It was quiet and peaceful, and you could get away from the heat. Finally, I'm here for the hill. You have to climb a lot. There are a lot of steps to climb. Okay, bye bye. Bye bye, bye bye.